DynaJet introduces DynaJet Smart Droplet Management, a fully automated PWM spraying system that guarantees consistent performance. DynaJet allows you to do more with a single nozzle, adding value and advantages compared to a cluster nozzle system. In conventional crop protection product spraying, farmers are traditionally forced to compromise. They have to find the correct balance between ground speed and operating pressure. With DynaJet from DynaJet Technologies, this has changed. Unlike conventional spraying, DynaJet automatically controls the pressure and droplet size across a wide range of ground speeds and rates, allowing you to choose the optimum speed while maintaining consistent droplet size. With DynaJet, you can adjust the droplet size from the cab to reduce aerial drift from the cab and deliver the product on target. Using DynaJet, you will improve overall spray quality, but that's just the start. These 7 additional features will help you optimize and save on your plant protection products. With a conventional sprayer, the regulation system takes several seconds to apply the correct dose rate across the spray boom. This results in a brief underdose or overdose of mixture in certain areas of your field, leading to poor reactivity and an inconsistent distribution of the flow throughout your field. The combination of DynaJet and our DynaRate sprayer controller solves this problem. They offer a highly responsive and accurate regulation of the flow under any conditions. This ensures that you will avoid underdosing or overdosing in your field, maximizing the effectiveness of your application. Achieve the correct dose everywhere in your fields with DynaJet and DynaRate. With conventional spraying, application rates won't be compensated during turns, which results in over-application on the inner portion of the boom and under-application on the outer portion of the boom. The wider the boom, the bigger the problem. Turn compensation helps achieve the right dose rate throughout the boom while turning and working on curves, resulting in consistent coverage throughout the field. Conventional spraying allows you to control certain sections of the spray boom. Section control is a common feature in conventional spraying. A section is a grouping of nozzles. For example, nozzles 1 through 3 are turned off first, then 4 through 6, etc. If parts of your boom overlap already applied areas, the system shuts different sections of the boom on and off, making sure you don't over-apply. However, section control has its limitations as overlap areas remain rather large. DynaJet takes it even further by controlling each nozzle with individual nozzle control. DynaJet allows you to turn individual nozzles on and off when desired, reducing the overall overlap area. With a conventional sprayer, you cannot create a batch of personalized setup nozzle pattern configurations through your spray boom. This task is manual, requiring you to open or close each nozzle pattern individually, making it a laborious and time-consuming process. In some cases, you may need one configuration in one direction and a different one in the opposite direction for the same field. This can be extremely difficult to manage efficiently. Additionally, you must do this every time you power up the sprayer, because the system cannot save the configuration. The DynaJet bed and row feature enables you to create spray boom configurations for the nozzle pattern. You can create up to 6 configurations that you can easily switch between. With this feature, you can apply chemicals precisely where they are needed without overthinking it. With conventional spraying, you set one dose rate for the entire boom. A standard controller doesn't permit you to establish different dose rates across the boom as needed. In specific cases, you may require varying dose rates across the boom due to different crops in the same fields or the presence of bed plantations separated by rows where nothing is planted. In both scenarios, different dose rates are necessary to apply the correct dosage in the right places. Spraying in these cases forces a choice between overdosing, underdosing, or individually treating each area, resulting in multiple passes in the same field. The DynaJet multi-rate feature is designed to enable you to select different dose rates across the spray boom. This gives you the capability to apply the precise amount of chemical in the correct locations as desired. This translates to significant time and cost savings for you. No more uncertainties about achieving this accurately. Simply input the area configuration and the dose rates and commence spraying. Unleash the full potential of your inputs with DynaJet Multi-Rate. Another key feature of DynaJet is the addition of variable rate application, allowing different parts of the boom to spray different flow rates. With conventional spraying, a geo-referenced prescription map of the field will contain rate information for specific grids of the field. Based on these grids, the conventional sprayer will then use the average rate across the boom. DynaJet, on the other hand, allows for several flow rates across the boom, hereby adapting more accurately to the field's prescription map. The prescription map defines the application rate needed for different parts of your field. The rate controller then communicates the needed flow rate to DynaJet. DynaJet controls the flow at the nozzles to realize the application rate defined by the prescription map. Conventional spraying systems don't allow spot spraying technology, resulting in both weeds and crops getting the same amount of spraying. DynaJet is the technology that allows future integration with smart sensors like spot spraying cameras that analyze each spot in your field in order to only have the nozzle spraying when absolutely necessary. With sensors or cameras attached to the boom, weeds that are growing between your crops are automatically detected. The system will only shut on the nozzles that cover weeds, making sure that you kill the weeds without applying chemicals in other areas, which leads to savings. DynaJet, the first PWM system approved by JKI. DynaJet, in combination with the TJet nozzles AIC 11005 and AITT J60 11006, is approved 90% drift reduction by JKI.